Welcome to the installation video of the Half Moon Lazy Susan with double wood trays. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 1/16 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a rubber mallet, an awl, tape, and scissors. In your box, you'll find the following parts: Half Moon trays, shelf supports, slide sets, positioner base assemblies, a shaft with cap, Reva tray support bracket, 1/4 20 by 1 inch screws, 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch screws, number 8 by 3/4 inch screws, and number 10 by 1/2 inch screws. We will be demonstrating with a right side cabinet door opening. Note which side your door opens and cut the template accordingly. Position the template on the cabinet opening side of the cabinet style and tape in place. You may have to remove the cabinet door hinge. Use your awl and mallet to mark the 7 screw hole locations. There are 4 on the bottom and 3 on the stile. Next, use the 1/16 inch drill bit to pre-drill the holes. Do not drill all the way through to the front of the cabinet. Orient the lockdown screw toward the cabinet opening and match the positioner base assembly over the 4 base holes. Secure using the number 8 by 3/4 inch screws. Ensure the arrows on the support bracket face toward the cabinet opening and align over the remaining 3 holes. Secure in place. For a left side cabinet opening, flip the support bracket over. Place the other positioned base assembly over the support bracket and tighten. Next, align the shelf supports over the support brackets and drop the shaft down through the top. Tighten the lockdown screws on the positioner base assemblies. For a pivot-only installation, simply mount the trays directly to the shelf supports. There is fine print engraved on each slide, which indicates which end needs to face the cabinet opening. We are installing wood trays. The same slides used for polymer trays are reversed 180 degrees. Place the slides on top of the shelf supports. Pull the slides out and align over the threaded holes in each corner of the shelf supports. Fasten using the 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch screws. Push the bottom slides back in and match the Half Moon tray over the corresponding holes in the assembled slide set. Attach using the 1/4 20 by 1 inch screws. Repeat with the upper slide set. Push the plastic caps into the tray holes. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.